One producer who never fails or is afraid to take risks, and which have worked wonderfully for her, right? It was Sakul.
I hope so. Or it will be क्या सुपर फूल है हम.
वो तो खैर होगा नहीं, मगर इतने सारे controversies, इतने सारे the stories surrounding the entire team of क्या super cool है हम. So कहाँ से आ रहे पता नहीं इतने सारे stories. Or do you have to say so many things are coming up? Objecting.
Oh, there is madness. This movie is a mad movie. If anybody is expecting it to, like, I mean, there is madness every second. I mean, there's Anupam Kher, who's like as crazy as Tushar, as Ritesh. My director is the maddest of them all. The most politically incorrect man I've ever met. And it's great fun, yeah. हम लोग जब ये फिल्म बना रहे थे, हमने ये सोचा था कि अगर डर के बनाएंगे तो बहुत पीछे हट जाएंगे. तो बनानी है तो 7 साल हमने अपना साहस जुटाया और बोला ठीक है अब बना रहे हैं तो फिर होल हॉग जाएंगे.
Absolutely, and exactly why I think people, a lot of people have, I mean, people every time have problem when you have jokes and they can't take it well.
मेरा क्या होगा इस फिल्म के बाद मैं क्या करूँगी? I will have to change my profession.
Especially Fakhri and Penty and.
I'm not answering that one, please. I'm not answering this one, please.
Okay, no more. You've had enough. And people have been, but no. On an honest note, I also heard that you've also got mails from, because of the name that you kept for the dog, Fakhru, was the Prime Minister's name from Arab.
Tired. Yeah, his name was Fakhruddin, and we're working on it. I don't have no idea how this film is becoming controversial. It's going through the roof, but it's a funny film. It's got to have a sense of humor. They've taken off on me in the film, guys. Although everyone takes off on me, but on this film they've really broken all shackles and so. They've like made a chick wear like bangles and all like mine, rings like mine. So I mean ये बहुत ही क्या बोलते हैं unpretentious film है. जिसको भी सोसाइटी में फटी डडी बनना है या टाइट एस है वो ये फिल्म प्लीज़ मत देखे. आपके सेंसिबिलिटी को बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ट करेगा. बट इफ़ यू वांट हैव फन, एंजॉय योर पॉपकॉर्न, हैव अ गुड लाफ एंड गो होम. इट्स इंडियाज़ अमेरिकन पाई. हम लोग जब अमेरिकन पाई देखते हैं हम हंसते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं. बट इंडिया में बड़े क्या बोलते हैं सोशली कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं और डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स हमारे किक इन करते हैं जहाँ हम बोलते हैं कि नहीं इंडिया में हमारे कल्चर को ख़राब कर रहा है. हम खुद भी कुछ भी करें अपने घर पर बट हमारा कल्चर इस फिल्म से ख़राब हो रहा है.
Did Tushar get the opportunity to get a little spoiled because you're the producer? I'm sure not, but then hopefully.
Do you have any idea what we've done to Tushar? The marketing team will tell you. They have ruined his life. Matlab, because he's my brother, we push him everywhere. Like he's like, I'm an actor, really? We see you in our house every day. Come on, go and do this. But at home, he's the one who's tyrannical. That's a different story.
While Dhoble and his issues have been going on with people doing, why is he doing this? One part of the society says, why is he creating Mumbai nightlife? Your movie takes another take on Dhoble, doesn't it? Because he crashes the party.
You know what? If I'm in jail after this movie, you know why. वहाँ मिलने आना.
And after क्या super cool है हम since it is already a rage, everybody is curious कि क्या होने वाला है, because the promos look so fantastic and everything. Have you already planned कि एक और थर्ड पार्ट तो होगा ही नहीं, जेल में होंगे आप.
स्ट्रेट वहाँ मिलने आना आप लोग. नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू वहीं करेंगे. जेल होगा या I'll be out of town.
And also the fact you're also going to work with Abhishek, right?
Nothing is confirmed, but I love Abhishek. He's my favorite actor. I think he is one of my. I've always been saying it, and now the world is saying it. He's actually a chip of the old block. I think people don't give him the credit for that, but he's a chip of the old block.
So there you are. Ekta Kapoor. Hopefully she won't be in jail, and I'll get to do another interview after this. And all the best, Rudran Jatraj with Cameron Sharath, Zoom. Thank you.
Hi, this is Omar Qureshi. Like Zoom TV on Facebook and get the latest spicy updates from Bollywood.